What do Wayne Gretzky, the greatest hockey player of all time, and HVAC leadership have in common? More than you might think. Today I'm going to share how a powerful lesson from the great one transformed my approach to leadership in the HVAC industry, and how it can change yours too. Hey everyone, Chris Morin with HVAC Pro Blog, and today's video is all about something I call the HVAC Assist, a game-changing perspective that could revolutionize how you approach your career in this industry. Here's a mind-blowing fact about Wayne Gretzky. Even if he had never scored a single goal, he would still be the NHL's all-time scoring leader just from his assists alone. That's 1,963 assists. But what's really interesting is that Wayne Gretzky took more pride in his assists than the goals. He believed in raising the level of everyone around him. Sound familiar to what we need to do in the HVAC industry? Let me share how this clicked for me. About 15 years ago, I was stuck in the service tech grind. Long hours, endless windshield time, and those repetitive service calls. Sure, fixing an AC during a heat wave felt good, but something was missing. Can anyone relate? Drop a thumbs up in the comments if you've been there. Everything changed in 2008 when I had hired my first apprentice. This guy was eager to learn, asked great questions, and reminded me of myself when I started. That's when it hit me. This was my first assist in the HVAC game. The satisfaction of helping someone else succeed was more fulfilling than any service call I'd ever completed. But here's where it gets really interesting. In hockey, you can get multiple assists on a single goal. Think about that in HVAC terms. You could teach someone who teaches someone else, who then teaches another person. The ripple effect is incredible. This realization led me to become a technical trainer, start a blog, and even write a couple books. So, here's my challenge to you. What's your assist count? Are you focused solely on scoring goals? Or are you helping others succeed too? The HVAC industry needs more leaders who understand the power of the assist. But before you go, I want to ask you to do 3 things. First, comment below with one way you'll help someone else grow this week. 2, hit that like button if this video resonated with you. And 3, share this with someone in the industry who needs to hear it. Remember, as Wayne Gretzky said, you need each and every guy helping each other and pulling in the same direction to be successful. That's true in hockey, and it's definitely true in HVAC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.